Will shed a little bit. You can use a light surface sealer such as hairspray will keep it from shedding as much. It is most dry flowers are going to shed a little bit. It's just the nature.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually going to try to do a tutorial about how to dry pampas grass and other drieds. And yeah, we used to use old Aquanet to seal dried flowers back in
Aquanut. Wow.
Spritz Forte is how 80s, right?
Oh yeah, 80s too. Yeah, it sheds really badly, but if you dry it fresh, it won't shed as badly. So when you leave it in the vase where it kind of explodes into puffiness, that's when so leave it out of water when you're drying it. But always drying fresh is a good idea.